Meet the AI-powered maintenance assistant from DreamzCMMS, designed to make your workflows faster, easier, and smarter at every step. Manual reporting. Slowing you down? Now, just speak or type your problem. With voice-activated requests, technicians can create work orders hands-free, even while on the job. The AI request agent understands the issue, identifies whether it's generic or asset-specific, and logs it instantly. You can attach images, assign a location, and convert it to a work order, all through a seamless conversational interface. Tired of chasing updates? Just ask. The agent gives you real-time status updates, lets you add notes, and shows the full request history. No more follow-ups, no more guesswork, everything stays organized, accessible, and on track. Spending hours creating the same checklists over and over? DreamzCMMS makes that effortless. With AI-powered checklist imports, you can generate inspection or maintenance checklists from any document or spreadsheet in seconds, ready to use right away. When equipment fails, every second counts. Instead of digging through manuals or waiting for someone to respond, just ask the AI knowledge base. It delivers instant answers from guides, past incidents, and asset-specific files. Scan a QR code, get step-by-step instructions, and raise a support ticket right from the same conversation. From the moment an issue is reported to the final resolution, DreamzCMMS AI Agents help you move faster, stay informed, and take control of your maintenance operations. DreamzCMMS Intelligent Asset Management with AI.